Industry is the lifeblood of the township economy, but some operators want to prevent competitors from taking business away from them. They've resorted to extorting money from e-hailing car drivers operating on their routes. The Western Cape government has now asked the NPA to prioritize these cases of extortion. Ronald Masinda has more.
There has been a surge in incidents of extortion in Cape Town involving members of the taxi industry. This former e-hailing service operator, who wished not to be named, says venturing into this business isn't worth it.
They don't necessarily just target the driver, but they're targeting the car to get you off the road and to stop you from operating. So, I mean, you as a driver have to ask yourself this question: is life worth more than your money?
The Western Cape Transport Department says it has been inundated with complaints from people who claim their vehicles have been impounded by taxi operators, and the MEC is taking a firm stance.
If any association or operator registered with the Provincial Taxi Registrar is found guilty of such a criminal act in a court of law, the Registrar and the Provincial Regulatory Entity may act to deregister such associations or operators and withdraw operating licenses of individual owners. As the Minister responsible for the regulation of transport in the province, I will not allow a criminal few to hold the transport system to ransom.
eNCA tried to speak to several other complainants on camera, but they said they are too afraid of being intimidated or harassed.
Transport MEC Dalen Mitchell says the commuters can no longer tolerate acts of extortion committed by a select few in the minibus taxi industry. Taxi bosses say investigations are underway to try to get to the bottom of this.
Santako in the Western Cape says those involved in extortion are not operating in the taxi industry legally.
Some of these people, they don't belong to the taxi industry itself, but they just bringing our name in disrepute. Although if it can be checked and verified within the PREs, you will find out these people, they don't have operating licenses.
Motorists transporting children have also had to pay thousands of rands to release their impounded vehicles. The Western Cape Transport Department has urged the public to report extortion incidents on 086 001 0111. Ronald Masinda, Cape Town.